Hello, Hurlberts. This is Auntie Wendy, and you wanted snow for Christmas? Well, here's our doorway. We can't get out of our doorway. There's lots and lots and lots of snow. It's snowing. Here's a picture of Greg, and he is about to go out and shovel all of this snow. Who stands in their house and shovels? That's hilarious. Well, I'll stay inside and make.
Too bad the Hurlburt kids weren't our neighbors. We could get them to help.
Yeah. With all the experience they have, with all that shoveling. Well, they'll have lots of experience sledding when they come for their big visit, I'm sure. So you can see all of the cars are covered. All of the trees are covered. This is my house. Here we are. Everything's covered. All the bunnies are snug inside.
Just to the slider window. I'll go out there.
Okay, I'm getting instruction now. Ooh, ah. I'll close the door now, hon. See that? That's funny. Okay. All right. So let's move on over to the back slider, where we're going to measure how much snow. There's the backyard. Do you see the table? How that's so covered. Man, you wanted snow, you got snow. All right. So it looks as if, well, you probably can't see it that well, but we got 15 inches of snow. And there's Greg running out to the back. Oh, he loves to be in the camera. All right. That's pretty much it, kids. Okay, looking forward to you coming. Really excited. We ordered the snow. Oh, gosh. Yes, did you want to say goodbye?
I gotta be able to get the snowblower out now. And the snow is about 16 to 18 inches deep.
Wow. I'm too short for this.
Because we're out here in snow country.
All right. Thanks.
You want to see on the snowblower? Go stop that. I'll get the snowblower out next.
No. All right. I'll talk to you later.
No.
What?
Get the snowblower out. You can still show me
No.
starting it.
Too long. See ya.
You stopped it?
Bye.